Hello everyone and welcome to Tech with NK. Today I'm going to show you how to solve the second exercise in problem set 1 of CS50's Introduction to Programming with Python. The exercise is called Home Federal Savings Bank. What we are expected to do is to create a file called Bank.py and implement a program that prompts the user for a greeting. If the greeting starts with hello, we output $0. If the greeting starts with H but not hello, we'll output $20. Otherwise, we'll output $100. And we're going to ignore any leading white spaces in the user's greetings, and the user's greeting should be case insensitive, meaning that if he enters hello probably with a capital L here, it should not matter. So I'm going to go to VS Code. I installed it locally on my computer, and I'll leave a link in the description below to show you how to do this. In VS Code, I'm going to open a new terminal and I'm going to create the folder bank. I'm going to move into that folder and I'm going to create the Python file bank.py. Okay, now that my file has been created, I'm going to close my terminal. I'm going to close my Explorer and I'll zoom in to make things a little bit clearer. So in this file, I'll start by writing a comment to get input from the user. I'll save my input in the variable or call response, or rather greeting. So greeting, I'll use the input function to get input from the user, and I'll pass a string to it that says greeting. Now, to make sure that my input is case insensitive and does not contain leading or trailing white spaces, I'm going to use two string methods. .strip to remove the white spaces, and lower to convert the user's input to lowercase. Now that we have gotten our input in the right format, how do I go about checking if the input starts with hello, H, or anything else? So there's a string method which I found in the documentation for Python called startsWith. So what this method does is it's going to get a string and going to check that string if the string starts with a certain parameter that we're going to pass to it. Let me show you what that looks like. We'll say if greeting dot starts with, we'll pass our parameter, say hello, print $0. Okay. Else if greeting dot starts with an H, print $20. That should be a string. And else for any other thing, print $100. That should be a string. Okay, I'll save this file and now I'm going to run it using the terminal. Clear this. Then I'm going to use Python bank.py greeting. Let's say hello, $0. That was expected. Let's try it again. Greeting, let's say goodbye, $100. Another try again, say so. Now we see our code actually works very well, and that's it for this program. Thank you for following along to the end of this video with me. I hope you found everything clear. If you have any questions, do not hesitate to leave your comments in the comment section below. I'll be pleased to answer every query of yours. Until next time, have a good day. Do not forget to subscribe to our channel.